सरर बगेको
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'ma get it. You hear me calling, I'm winning. You're jealousy, but be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream. People right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame.
हेलो
To see if I see, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. It's up to me, and I'm in motion. It takes devotion.
हामी किन सर्टकट जाने होइन के बनाउनु लाग्यो कोची लाएर हामी सिस्तानभित्र प्रवेश भइसकेका छौँ बनाइराख्नु भएको फेरि छिट्छौँ किन अहिले छिट्दै थोरै हेलो गाइस, हामी छैन नामिस्थान पढिसक्यो होइन। हामी चाहिँ पुरा अब त्यो त्यस्तो पारामा हिँडिरहेको नामिस्थान मलाई यस्तो छ हामीतिर होइन गरिरहेको हजुर चाहिँ यसो नदिखाउनु होला हजुर
हानेर फलो द ट्राफिक रुल यता हो तर हामीसँग लाइसेन्स छैन गाह्रो छ राजा
पुरानो सब
बाइक छोडिदिनु पर्छ अरे क्या
भन्नु त्यस्तो कहिले पनि बजार काम नगर्नु चलाउनु जान्दैन यदि चलाउनु घरमा जानु बाटो ओह्रालो भनेपछि हजुर के गर्नु
एकचोटि हिँड्यो क्या पूजाको दिनमा मोटरसाइकल लिएर आएको केसै लिएर मैले यही खाल्डोमा त्यो पानी यस्तो ल्याएको गराएको त पछि त त्यो दिवालो आगो लग्ने त्यो ऊ हुन्छ नि डोरी क्या जुटको त्यो डोरी त भिजिरहेको तल गएर साइकल त्यो थियो यार त्यो त ऊ आइजाँदो रहेछ त
बाटोमा हेर्नुहोस् त गाई बाटोमा मोड र केटीकोमा फोर्स जग्गा चाहिन्छ नि
त्यसो गरी रमेश दाइ यो त तल म उ गर्दाखेरि गर्ने जानेर
अब क्या त भन्ने यसैमा अब